The real world is open, full of sounds essential for the brain to stay sharp. But 7 out of 10 hearing aid users are challenged daily by disruptive sounds, whether loud or soft, causing them to struggle to understand conversations, lose confidence, and become closed off. Don't let disruptive sounds disrupt life. With the new Oticon Real, we're bringing back the real sounds of life.
Hello?
Driven by our unique brain-hearing philosophy, Oticon Real opens up to the full soundscape. Supporting the brain with every sound to perform optimally, while now also protecting users from disruptive sounds. Oticon Real lets users hear all the sounds that are an essential part of the world around us, giving access to all the details, nuances, and all the surprises, while ensuring speech clarity with less listening effort, helping users stay sharp and at ease in the real world. Oticon Real. Stay sharp in the real world.